Hello, esteemed AJ users. Here is a brief introduction to AjeCoin. You are all welcome to the official launching of AjeCoin, a Yoruba indigenous cryptocurrency. AjeCoin, founded in 2024, is a culturally inspired cryptocurrency empowering Yoruba, Pan-African, South American, and other global tribal communities with secure, low-cost digital transactions rooted in culture, prosperity, and economic self-determination. Aje symbolizes wealth of the sea, a spiritual and economic force for abundance, trade, and prosperity, especially revered among Yoruba people, South America, and Pan-Africans. AjeCoin is here to restore indigenous wealth, promote cultural heritage, empower indigenous education lifestyle, and connect local tribal markets to global blockchain-powered digital economies. AjeCoin is driven by a visionary Pan-African team of blockchain developers, cultural experts, educators, economic strategists, traditional rulers, grassroots leaders, religious figures, legal practitioners, and investors. The Airdrop gives free AjeCoins to early adopters who join our community, complete small daily tasks, and refer friends. It's a way to reward early support. Users can join the Airdrop by visiting task.ajecoin.io or download our app for Android and iOS on this same link. Follow us on X, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Invite friends via your referral link. Complete tasks to earn tokens. Who are Tier 1 partners? Tier 1 partners, also called the Glorious Miners, are consistent task completers, eligible for monthly Universal Basic Income, UBI, after the completion of specified period of time, and they will also continue their normal daily tasks afterwards. Can I earn AjeCoin without donating money? Yes. Tier 2 partners, the Good Samaritans, earn by watching cultural videos, completing simple tasks, and referral, spreading awareness. No funds required. How can I contribute to AjeCoin's crowdfunding campaign? Visit www.ajecoin.io, fill out the crowdfunding form, choose your support method, e.g. USDT, and send your contribution. Share your purpose or message with us. What are the partnership tiers? Tier 1, Glorious Miners, Task-Based Earners. Tier 2, Good Samaritans, Time-Based Volunteers. Tier 3, MVP Grand Patrons, Fund-Based Contributors. Monarchs, institutions, investors, and philanthropists. Will contributors get tokens? Yes. All partners receive AjeCoins as a reward proportional to their involvement, tasks, time, or financial support. What Pan-African goals does my donation support? It supports 21 goals including poverty eradication, education, healthcare, agriculture, digital inclusion, climate action, and more. RACEE 21 goals. The total token supply will be 367 billion AjeCoins. What's the token price? 100,000 cowries is equal to 1 AjeCoin, and 1 AJC equals 1 USDT, subject to ecosystem market conditions and stage of the project. What are AjeCoins used for? Digital marketplace transactions, education fees and scholarships, health payments and herbal care, UBI for task performers, donations for Pan-African causes, voting in community governance, buying goods, services, especially indigenous goods. AjeCoins runs on its own network called AjeCoin Network, AN, offering scalable, fast, highly secured, and transparent blockchain technology optimized for everyday transactions and community apps. What kind of ecosystem will AjeCoins create? An ecosystem where talents, innovators, thinkers, influencers, freelancers, traders, educators, farmers, health workers, celebrity, musician, actors, traditionalist, priests and clerics, etc. and creatives can thrive using a culturally inspired currency for empowerment and in secure, transparent local and digital environments. What are AjeCoin's main practical goals? Provide universal basic income, UBI, to underserved communities. Facilitate secure trade in goods like cultural items, food, education, healthcare, digital services and products, etc. Digitally transform sectors like science, religion, education, and governance. Strengthen cultural and trade partnerships across Africa and the diaspora.